Hi! Today we're going to unbox and assemble the Infinity Light Santa LED display. These light displays are going to be, this year they're going to be the most famous Christmas decorations because they're the newest. This is something that came out this year and I'm gonna unbox it, so I'll show you what comes in the box and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So what comes is the power supply and it comes with a base in case you want to put it on top of a table. Okay, so basically just open this, right? It's a sturdy wooden base that's heavy so that it keeps this up. Okay, so it comes connected, so you don't have to connect anything. If you look through it, let me see if you can look through it, you see that this is transparent, and this is important, and I'll tell you why later. So you put it here in this crevice here, right, for it to stay together, right? You press it a little and now it's nice and connected, you see. Now then the next thing you do, this doesn't have a switch. All you have to do is, and now it's plugged in. See how it looks? It's plugged in. But in order to really appreciate how this looks, let's turn off the light. Let's turn off the light. So now you see how it looks. It's beautiful. You can look in there and it reflects, so you see the reason it's called infinity is because those lights reflect at infinity. Now, one thing that's really cool about this, and one of the use case that I would employ would be, this is good for windows decorations, because look what happens when you turn it around. So it's reversible, so you can see it from both sides. So if you have a business and you want to like make this look really nice, you put it on the window, right, on the glass cabinets in the front of your business, and the people inside can enjoy this, and the people outside passing through can also enjoy this. It's really nice. It's really beautiful, and I'm so excited about putting this in my window. Really, that's where I'm going to put it, so that the people that walk by my apartment, they can see it, and of course I'm going to be able to enjoy it. So this is the Infinity Light Santa display. Merry Christmas. Oh ho ho ho.